This is Janet Pinky, and this is my privilege project for diverse learners. It is so easy to take for granted some of the privileges of middle class. The assurance that the lights will still be on when you get home from work and that there will be running water is not always a feeling that those in poverty are afforded. At the beginning of this project, I thought that giving up driving, while inconvenient, wouldn't be so bad. I live in a small town, so getting around on foot shouldn't be a big deal. Everything we needed was within 3 blocks. I could do this no problem. Then the temperature dropped, well below freezing, and it was a bigger deal than I thought. When families are left without a car, or someone needs the one and only car to get to work, that leaves the rest of the household on foot. This can also mean that school children will have to walk to school in the rain, extreme wind, and freezing temperatures. While this is far from ideal, it does happen quite often. When families in poverty have to rely on others to get them to their job, an appointment, school, or the grocery store, it can be very frustrating. The lack of control over certain situations can cause anger, depression, and a sense of helplessness. This project has made me realize just how much I rely on a vehicle and how I need to start walking more. I live in a small town and should be able to walk 4 blocks without much trouble. I've found that I need to walk more. I definitely need to walk more. In the video, What is Privilege, from the definition of privilege link in this module, it asks us to be aware of our privileges and remember to advocate for those less fortunate. I hope that with my experience from this project, it will influence me to be more respectful to those who live this experience every day. In my future classroom, I will be better able to identify those in need and be a strong advocate for them. Thank you.